All right, this is very exciting. This is not coffee in a forecast. This is sort of a test. So I'm actually recording at 10:16 in the afternoon, and I think I found some setting tweaks on iShow HD that might fix the audio sync problem. I don't know though. I did a little Googling, and it seems like because of OS 10 Lion, the way they do things, they're having some issues with iShow HD. And iShow HD isn't really happy about it, but they had some possible solutions, so I'm trying one of them now. Let's see what happens. So we're going to do like a regular show. Yesterday was beautiful, 85 for the high, amazing, and it's going to be close to that again today. And that was the first 85-degree day of the year. National Weather Service says that the average first 85-degree day of the year is March 15th. So we nailed it. Perfect, right on time. And the 85 is right between the average high and the record high for yesterday. We start out the day at 46. Look at this, we're 2 inches down compared to normal rainfall for the year so far. Only a quarter inch at the airport. Now again, here in Oro Valley, we've had more like 3/4 of an inch so far this year, but we're still 1.5 inches down. So that's kind of crazy. 6:32 sunrise, 6:33 sunset. Getting close to that first day of spring, the vernal equinox, at least astronomically speaking. All right, here is the forecast. 85 today, 50 tonight. Oh, and then the fun starts. Very big, strong winter storm heading our way. So blowing dust ahead of that tomorrow. South winds gusting to 45 miles an hour, a high near 80. Then cold front moves through. Saturday night, 30% chance of showers, windy conditions overnight, and 55 for a low. And look at Sunday's high, only 5 degrees warmer. Cold air filtering in behind the front. 90% chance of rain on Sunday. Winter storm watch Sunday afternoon through Monday afternoon. Snow levels falling to around 4,000 feet by Sunday afternoon, evening, and could see snow levels, down to 3,000 feet by Monday morning. So some snow mixed in with the rain, maybe even in Tucson. And maybe the snow is sticking in Catalina. I don't know. Or Oracle, you're going to get some snow, it looks like. 70% chance of showers, 42 Monday morning. And then Monday's high only in the low to mid 40s with a chance of showers. And then Tuesday, the sunshine returns with a high near 60. Temperatures out there right now at 10:19 in the morning. Casa Grande at 64. There's some mid to upper 60s across the southern parts of the area. 63 Benson, 67 in Safford. Every time I see Safford, I think of Jim Safford. I don't like spiders and snakes. All right, fine. 71 right now, southern Oro Valley near the apartment. Benson at 65. And Benson, I think of George Benson on Broadway. Temperatures right now, upper 60s to near 70 across the metro, even a few low 70s. Heading for high near 85 this afternoon. Big storm off the Pacific Northwest coast, already affecting central California and southern California with increasing clouds, and also rain and snow in the Portland area. Snow levels falling to like 400 feet tonight. Or would that be Sunday night? I can't remember. Anyway, it's a cold system, this one right here. It's going to be invading all of the north, and look how deep this trough is, and it's getting further to the digging further south. So all of that invading Arizona this weekend, and again, the snow level is getting really low. A lot of moisture with the storm too, so we're talking a foot and a half of snow on top of Mount Lemmon before this thing is done. And again, maybe some snow mixing into the rain, even at the lowest elevations. I'm hoping that happens here in Oro Valley again, like it did on Valentine's Day. That was a nice surprise. Severe storms possible. West Texas, from Lubbock, Texas to Midland, Odessa, over to Wichita Falls and Childress and up into Oklahoma. Looks like a dry line's going to set up. They had fog this morning in Lubbock, so the moisture is east of Lubbock. This afternoon we'll get the dry line, which would be the difference between the dry and the moist air, and as it marches to the east, probably see storms firing out ahead of that, and that's where the severe storms are possible. Big area of rain and thunderstorms possible all the way to the east coast back to West Texas. Here's the storm in the west. Low elevation rain and snow, and high elevation snow and lots of snow. Sierra Nevada, parts of the mountains in Idaho and Montana and Wyoming and up into British Columbia, and it's going to be fun for lots of people. Storm Prediction Center with their slight chance of severe weather here over West Texas, and then a couple areas of C-text. Usually that means strong storms, and maybe a couple might reach severe limits. So much of the eastern half of the country with a chance of storms, and a couple of them maybe be strong. And then we already see the precipitation in northern and central California and very heavy snow in Sierra Nevada, which is good news for them. Storm reports from yesterday, severe storm reports, none. We like that. No watches in effect either. All right, here we go with our forecast once again, and then we'll conclude this test of the Coffee in a Forecast I Show You HD recording system. 85 for a high today. 50 tonight, blowing dust tomorrow. South winds gusting to 45. Windy overnight Saturday as the front blows through. 30% chance of showers after midnight, a low near 55. Sunday's high not much higher than that. 90% chance of rain. Snow levels falling to near 4,000 feet by afternoon/evening, and snow levels falling to 3,000 feet by Monday morning with a rain and snow mix. Maybe even here in Oro Valley, maybe even in Tucson, and maybe, who knows. I'm hoping we get snow in Oro Valley, I really am. And I know I've mentioned this a couple times, it's a little silly, but I really did have a dream about 3 nights ago that we had like 4 or 5 inches of snow in Oro Valley. It was amazing. It was a dream. It's probably just wishful thinking. All right, showers on Monday, a chilly day, low to mid 50s for a high on Monday. And then Tuesday, the sun returns and high near 60, and then we'll be 70 by Wednesday. All right, that's it. A test of the Coffee and a Forecast I Show You HD recording system. Hopefully I Show You HD will get some cooperation from Apple on the Mac OS X Lion update, and we'll get some updates on here, and I won't have to do this weird setting thing. And I'm hoping this works. Because if it works, then my lips will move right when the sound comes out. That's ideal, I'm thinking. All right. I'm also trying 720p output, because if this works, this will really look good on Vimeo, and if you have a Roku box, I'm hoping Vimeo makes a way for shows like this to be found easier. So anyway, got a lot going on here. I'm trying to get this right. Thanks for tuning in to the Coffee and a Forecast test. Remember, Tucson's weather lives at tucsonweather.us. Have a great rest of your Friday, and we'll keep you posted throughout the weekend.